story of Gregory, who is a talking washing machine.
Yes, so deal with it, Bob.
One day, two small animals came to the laundry room. The red panda saw Gregory and shouted,
"Ah, a monster!"
The animals turned and ran away. The red panda then looked at the remote. After she pressed the button, the TV turned on.
Breaking news! The people are taking me for a walk. Yay, bunky schmunky.
Then she said,
The news channel? No way.
And she changed the channel.
Yahoo! I found my lucky stick, and it's all thanks to my dog, Spotty.
Then the commercials turned on.
Commercial break!
And so the red panda said,
I hate commercials.
Then she turned the TV off.
That's better,
she said. Meanwhile, Gregory the washing machine heard the TV. He said,
I want to watch TV too.
Will Gregory watch TV? Will the red panda escape from the Gregory? And why does a talking washing machine even exist? Tune in next time for Gregory on TV.